with a miracle, and it starts with you. When you believe, that's for you. And no matter what, she thrives to use music. Come next to me, my girl.
Yeah, you can come. You can. No, I'm not gonna make you sing. Don't worry, no panic. No, I'm not gonna sing. She's gonna leave me.
But anyway, it's been an amazing blessing to know her, and she's been showing the people around her, no matter what life throws in your life, if you want to do it, you can. So tonight, on behalf of Arise and Sing, and on behalf of Empower Tactical, we want to thank you and congratulate you for stepping up and come and be part of the vocal coaching. So we have a certificate for you. So this is for you.
When you believe, no hope is prayer, it's hard to believe. Who knows what miracles you can achieve? When you believe, somehow you will when you believe. This time of fear, when hope so often proves it, hope seems like the summer birds too swiftly flown away. But now I'm standing here, my heart so full I can't explain, speaking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say. There can be miracles when you believe. Hope is frail, it's hard to believe. Who knows what miracle you can achieve? You believe, somehow you will. You will when you believe. There will always happen when you ask. And if you need to believe to your feet, and when it's time to hear your pain to everywhere, a simple resist voice is very near. There has been it's hard to hear. Who knows what miracle you can achieve? When you believe, somehow you will. Somehow you will. You will when you believe. You will when you believe. Some people search for a fountain. Their promise is forever.